What is backstitching? Hi, I'm GM Taylor and I give you quick tips on sewing. Today's lesson is backstitching. Alright, let's get started. So make sure you're doing this on 2 layers of fabric to test. And a lot of people like to line it up exactly on the edge of the fabric. And that's actually not a great way to start because what'll happen is the thread on the inside will go ahead and start tangling right there off the bat, and it could even crunch up your fabric. So we're going to start about 2 to 4 stitches inwards, and then we'll start back stitching first by holding down your button or lever. Then we'll go ahead and get started with that, and we're doing just 3 or 4 stitches backwards. I released my button or lever, and then we can continue on. So as I get closer to the edge, I tend to slow down. Now I'm going to go to the very edge of that second layer of fabric so you can see the 2 layers. I'm going to the very edge of that. So it's just going to be about 3 to 5 stitches forward. And then 3 to 5 stitches back. You can see I'm going to hit that button now and I'm going to start moving backwards. Sometimes I move too fast that I can't explain it, so bear with me. So I did 3 to 5 stitches backwards, and then I will go ahead and release that button, and then I'll continue on to the end. I can continue sewing off the edge of the fabric if I want. At this point it won't matter, it's locked off. And you can see the back stitches at the beginning and end. I hope that was helpful, and if you got anything from today's lesson, go ahead and like and subscribe. See ya! Now I'm learning how to do cards, so there's probably a thing here and a thing here, and I hope you've chosen my things. Yeah, thanks. See you soon.